The Monroe Price International Media Law Moot Court competition took place in Oxford, England, on March 18 through March 21, 2009. This is the only international moot court competition of its kind, with plans to host future regional competitions in the Middle East in Arabic, in Beijing in Mandarin, and in countries of the former Soviet Union in Russian. The purpose of this competition is to encourage young law and communication students from around the world to think in new and interesting ways about free expression.
So in this case, the denial of the defense of truth was not an Article 19 violation because these are fundamentally value judgments.
I was very impressed by the hard work of the individual students and the coaches, in many of them coming to Oxford, to the UK, outside their own country for the very first time, having to face new ways of speaking, new ways of dealing with these kinds of questions. What I see in the excitement of the students here is learning a vocabulary of free expression and practicing it. And it's particularly interesting to see people coming from a variety of contexts, from Georgia, from China, from India, all trying to frame their lives, their particular questions in terms of the European Court of Human Rights, the Article 19 of the International Covenant of Civil and Political Rights.
This is my first my first moot court competition, so I was really nervous, but after the rounds progressed, I felt more comfortable, and just meeting everyone from all over the world is just an amazing experience.
They were being good judges. They were asking questions which any other judge would ask, and they were being very, very polite, I must say. As back in India, you see judges, they are furious. They get after you if you're wrong at some point, but judges out here were very calm, and the questions were to the point. So it was a big learning process.
It was fascinating to meet students from China, for example. My first round we competed against students from Malaysia, and to see how they deal with their laws of their country with regard to journalistic freedom versus the kind of laws we have in the United States.
Because it's very fresh to me. The building, the people, and their lifestyle all are fresh to me. So I like this. I think it's a kind of exchange of culture, and I can take the chance to communicate with people from different places all around the world. It's really amazing. I just like communication.
Law is shaped by changing a vocabulary, by trying to understand concepts. And moot courts are valuable means of doing that.
It's an experience of a lifetime. I'll always remember these days as one of my best days in my life, that I was in the Oxford. I was presenting myself in front of the most esteemed judges of the world, and it'll be something very memorable in my life.